Hello, I'm going to tell you about MFA, multi-factor authentication. I will tell you what it is and how to use it. MFA is basically to keep your college account and your personal data safe. From 26th February 2024, all student accounts at Nottingham College will have extra security. This is an extra check before you can enter your account, before you can use your account. Lots of organisations, lots of companies, banks, online shopping websites, and lots more already use this extra security. So from 26th February, when you try to log in to Teams or Outlook, you will see this message. If you are using a computer or a laptop, you will need to download the Microsoft Authenticator app from Google Play or the Apple App Store onto your phone. You then, once you've downloaded it, click Next. On your phone, you need to open the Microsoft Authenticator app and press the plus sign, the add sign, on the top right corner. You need to choose work or school account. Then click Next. On your computer, you will see a QR code. You need to scan this QR code with your phone and then click Next. You will get a test message notification on your phone. Click Approve. If you want the computer to remember you, this is very helpful so that you don't have to approve every time you log in. Click this button. Don't ask again for 28 days. On the computer, you will then see this screen. Click Next. Then you'll see this success screen. Click Done. If you don't have a smartphone or you can't download the app, you need to click here at the beginning when it asks you to download Microsoft Authenticator. Then you can select your phone number and you can choose to get a text message with the code to log in, as I've shown before. This might be easier for you, but if you have any problems, please ask your teacher. You can also ask an LSA. You can ask in the library, and the week of the 26th of February, there will be lots of extra people helping outside the library. Or you can call IT. The number is on the screen. Good luck!